team age na kobana nya seketwa and also Eric Tinkler and Stanley Mezo ese mo sa amble bi
okay
no mo sa show
okay
two Congolese players
what do they ya mbeso ma ho de ya be at least
ka say we Nyankopon kwana ba Eric Tinkler was ho de ahwe
so ya no de me no nya adwe
me ka chora maka ana me gyo
ti la mi ya me ba si si obeso na ho de ahwe Kylian Mbappé beso na ho de
ahwe ka say omo hwe wa na bi no mu obi onu nim say bia we mu so no for ba but say Congo fo ni mo say no obeso ho de ahwe obeso ho de ka cha na chero me story w why me story w
say ade ni na say we go by data e bia Ghana akra locally ndi omunim te di play bi ewa bia ti se van say Asante Kotoko pe ano just anoko so na ho de hwe
ana make sure omu no
okay na say du sana ku fito mpu so so
assembly si we age mbebrewo
o de egwe
okay Victor Gyau
and the city
of nations
yeah
for Asante Kotoko okay in this number or Asante Kotoko free
yeah Victor
Gyau and now the people age and also justify
okay
justify for inclusion
yeah justify your inclusion okay
and also justify
Victor Gyau so so na ho de ahwe
sure it is plus 4 two Congolese Asante boy and Victor Gyau because there will be new faces so me count okay
new faces
and ma Congo for buy
okay
we could new faces abasa who say no street on the list one pom Friday and Saturday come on ni komo the beer said there will be a friendly game
come on more there Chief
Friday and Saturday the money go so ekoso
okay
the beer say there will be a friendly game for Asante Kotoko players no first
to buy yanko fa can see
sure
there's a little the testing new players
sure
okay
Kobna we can say from a week we go see next week Kobna justify na be koso and be next week only release some players no problem to you Kotoko player Kobna no kika ho and yes I player ebona list na Eric Tinkler and it's time measure be want na with you and to Kotoko players yourself some person many on Asante Kotoko you know na bo because Eric Tinkler only we are
okay
something we do no I can list no mistake one you know
okay
let's dear release players list at all maintain players list at all
the okay say nsohwe wo ma pass no
sure
e bo mudi
sure
wa be feeling no
sure
so betu di ni eja kwan
sure
okay
and you Tinkler fair Hubert Gyau
wa fejew
we do the meeting ase bo na Gyau bo no on so ne party na on be bo no we do the see Gyau na so
let's build the team no okay
Gyau bo ne fair bomb for more
okay
is it I can say Kotoko captains Gyau kan wo kai there 2 months
yeah me ka so be kan
enche I think ka be captains no we fi
okay
we Gyau ni be patikesi di
okay
so we fi
me kai
fatu
okay eti the okay I see ya Eric the Tinkler
sure
when Mr. Limenzo the master tactician the tormentor man of the moment inform also mo build the team message
sure easy
so mo build the team no as Hubert Gyau na so
sir you utatema no you faro as Kotoko head coach no no share Kotoko videos come on custom
okay it will be performance
it simply perform the team receive na so to buy the 20 minutes meeting
when Gyau din
Kotoko
advice
so we call agent biano we say making
okay
so we talk no
the Gyau
we let him go ni ko come on na blow no
okay
What videos actually Pia, so we are going to go with Pia.
Gyau talent no more na from Black Stars no. She on one pa. Yeah. Gyau.
Me talk about so so. E no make asem bu na Kofi ni me nya adwene.
San ko fase bia ma de nchi.
After the show no. We win Asante Kotoko. Me brom
na ko fa de bai.
Kobra. Say team policy ni.
O to show with you.
Oh, he me ka. Come to the policy ni.
Policy ni is.
Team no. E ko fa titire train. Mercy ni ana no be. The bia me traffic ko me catch you say. I'm for talented players. Oh, feel I go from. Last 2 months, can you say no more blended with experienced players? Who can't say me catch it now? Because that's much about 2 months ago. Change it to try say. Who's going to go? No money. I'm not able to come. Impossible to come in come. But now we're doing it in himself. So because of person.
I didn't see Kasema na said. You
see Kasema. Philosophy. Eric Tinkler. Any nation. Every so we. We say. Come on, until I make a new movement. Who said it all? With you. Standing on you. Oh yes. Self philosophy. No, I asked. I asked. Ethics can be player. The free young now. What I say?
Kuntumri mamuja. Sango modebia.
Adia simple. You need to feel them. Adia need to feel them.
Sabe na carry.
It's like a chon. Eric Tinkler.
Esa bwa wansa na wana kamuja ni susugu sa.
Una mi esto wa kamu sole. Ko de oye no. Empe.
Esa bena mbuye kuntumri mamuja.
No story
mu se muja ina.
Marucha Blaben.
Okay.
No, we did birthday.
Oh, okay. Wonderful.
Italy. So kind of. We share my class supposed to do.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Yes.
I said they did birthday of here.
Wonderful. You busy.
Birthday of here.
Yeah, can na di ni album. Yeah, 2 in 1.
Blaben. Oh, Italy.
Okay. Okay, mintin in Kasai.
Also friend. Also birthday of here. Sure.
Okay.
Yeah. The policy na below.
Okay.
With young players blended with experienced players.
You say you fancy where you show men this kind of players are. This is the schedule. That you think that is how mope.
Asima mbeka no. But the second story be bro. What the make na say? Na but them pro nko baby. If you know.
Okay, man say to do with experienced players.
Then
come back in the summer. Yeah, do mafra.
Mr. Usu Ansan.
Chief.
Asante Kotoko. Ekofa top 5 foreigners. Top 5 foreigners. Mature top 5 foreigners.
Mature.
Omuni bo. Omu tizika ko for bekoma. Me na make sense with you. Me say
so we don be so ma ho den hwe.
Omu to straight. Ekuru so ekoso. Me say Kotoko. You see what about me say I say ball now boys in the ball pa jo no any agent ko bla ni ku na fam Stanley Benjo ni ka catchmpini for say ball ni we fam catch him straight
the Benjo be also ball for that you justify
you say you go option come na ball boys in the ball don't our fam
and yes am ya
you know problem anything
on what bad me
problem family ni bato
and yes am ko
anything also amono no am top 5 players on the team no
Ghana ebini ha ana onim wo mo
me say say still with the Matiwas ebo na boys ni bo na ose our form it will be top 5 foreign players no no break down the team no everything this team players wa but omo technical view no ni ha musi view mo no o say ball from Ghana boy no ball Lincoln boys ball from Lincoln go straight
according to Menju I think
our form so when you top 5 players only ball at the boys we no we juma no team Kotoko for top 5 foreign players adiaba
so 4 and 5 no more turn let's assume say Cameroon for no more one say e be impressive
na obeka ho
but
all konso okoto na yeba
they say establish a hand already Congo for no so yes
Congo for no 2
and I Cameroon for no so 2 84 and I justify so for me 2 and atra so means say no go 2 2 3 bi da be kan
Kobra me can so 5 today some Cameroon for no Congo for no omo convince how ni pe we go can go give no I'm telling you today
Kotwano
but we can any 100%.
I got trainers I'm missing the
good. Let me say any 100%. We talk about 85, 90.
85 years what pass.
Come now we Asante can
Some to us by 85 years what pass.
On pass 100%. Mr. Kobra Usu answer.
Kotua idi. Madam for nana.
Eh, Peter Amedu akwa. Still awo.
By day.
No contract bi awo.
Sir.
Peter Amedu akwa. Peter Amedu akwa. Kobra still na. Ohwa mononi. Edum na so.
Enye ya onu ma Kotoko e.
Edum na so. Kobra. Edum so sa.
Okay.
And Penkuman is it no? You know say style me no be see your videos o.
Okay.
I'm going to Peter, I'm going to come do biare. And Kobra say ko biem.
Asante Kotoko ni Peter mi.
Yo, akwele kan mo zo ne bi san komo no.
Menzo na.
Ahwa.
Okay.
Opecha woni Peter mi akobo no ope. Ne ni to ho. Uya ami jo ko ha, uya je wa ope fa do no. Oti komo no sa say settle from biem.
Okay. Zan komo de koso.
Koso. For Peter mi ko return back to Asante Kotoko. Mr. Kobra Usu ansa. Baba Sports Stadium. They catch on me. Kotoko. When the first game now, we call away. The second game
go DBB.
The second game no. If possible, now come on the bar. I be ready.
Kumasi babanya last.
I'm telling you today.
I be ready.
I go home juma pa
for Asante Kotoko.
The first game home. If everything
side game nko ana say wetin abon e bia first one ni na o.
Everybody na. Let say if possible, na be bia be twetwem say bia there will be a tournament be. So I think catch on. We can move to a catch on. If very possible, then yeah, it's all to be you. Send your tournament to be a hundred bit you are. Would have been the first game war.
To you specifically first game in Kwa.
And the first game in Kwa.
It will be a good. Okay.
What I say? It's for the Congolese maybe. On Monday, there will be a meeting.
Okay.
But the government from the decided.
Yeah, more plans.
Take you.
No matter take decision.
Thank you. It's on Monday. Some meeting because of our sports. Let me say office.
That a good meeting. Everyone who many.
Abekoso.
So bet you see another meeting.
What are you calling here? And it's a phone say. I'm ready. But the confirm you home. I'm ready. But the thing was to go home. So what to say? There will be a tournament.
Yeah.
So we go home so plans. If say. A bit of a answer. I want to meet Mba.
Okay.
Come on, sir. We say to him, so we say there will be a top mature 5-point players. For Asante Kotoko, we can be him.
Okay. Never said transfer, no. Recruitment. Na Asante Kotoko be sign 5 foreigners.
Me na make say no.
Okay.
Say ba, e mo win fee. 5 top mature foreign players. I be cutting now.
Exclusive. Okay, Chief. Yeah, sure. I mean, Donzo Borfin.
Donzo. Donzo a foreign player.
A foreigner.
It's only can win 5. Na India. Na list no so.
So don't do some fat trainer can wana.
So Donzo.
So me for I can 5.
I say 5 now.
Okay, say I can marry a contract.
Sure.
Okay.
Na tini. You say Donzo no. About some better training. And no, I know.
I don't have brana.
So, I'm medical son.
Oh, okay.
And you could say, the you just said you want the money who know yeah I'm saying it
to impress the technical team
but to me he's there to go.